Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will explain about my research proposal. This proposal is entitled Analysis of Halal UMKM Actor Perception of Tax Incentive Policy Amid Economy Uncertainty 2024 until 2025. UMKM have a strategic role in the Indonesia economy, contributing more than 16% of GDP and absorbing 97% of the workforce. However, economic uncertainty due to global factors, election and price fluctuation makes UMKM, including those based on halal, face major challenge. The government has responded with tax incentives such as 0.5% final income tax and tax exemption for turnover below 500 million rupiah wherever. The effectiveness of this policy is still questionable, especially by halal UMKM players who view tax not only economically but also from Sharia values such as honesty, justice, and blessing. This study aims to understand the perception of halal UMKM players towards the policy, how they respond to it, and the extent to which Sharia principle influence their complaints. In the Al-Quran, Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala says, "You believe, do not eat each other well by unlawful means, except by way of consensual trades." Quran Surat An-Nisa 29. This verse is an important foothold in looking at fiscal responsibility to the value of honesty and ridho. The research use a descriptive qualitative approach with in-depth interview, observation, and documentation studies. Informants were selected purposefully, namely halal UMKM players who are active and understand Sharia principle and have access tax incentive. Analysis was conducted using the Mills and Haberman model combined by triangulation and member check to maintain validity. This research highlights the low tax literacy among UMKM and shows that their perception of incentive is strongly influenced by knowledge and religious value. The literature review also reinforced the urgency of this research, as there are still few that highlight halal UMKM in the context of economic crisis and Sharia value-based approach. The hope is that this research will make an academic contribution to the field of Islamic economics and provide input for the government to design fiscal policies that are more inclusive and is accordance with the value believed by halal business actors. Such is the conclusion of this proposal. Hopefully, it will be useful for the development of the ummah economy based on Sharia. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.